how to create an Excel spreadsheet. When it comes to creating a spreadsheet, formatting is an overlooked skill, and it's an important one if you want to create a great impression. First, you must choose a template. There are many on the internet, and one might inspire you. 2 different font styles, like Arial and Calibri, can help to differentiate between headers and main text. To create a professional centered title for your spreadsheet, use the Merge Cells or Center Across selection options. When entering data, start in B2, because leaving row 1 and column A blank is an easy way to create some space in your document. You should bold your headers, making them stand out from the main text so that the spreadsheet is readable. Your font sizes for headings and subheadings should be bigger than the data as well. The data or text should be aligned to suit your needs. Creating space within the cell's height and weight is important, so the spreadsheet looks professional. Use colors sparingly and keep to dark text against a light background. Name your spreadsheets is also valuable. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.